Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. 15.24 lakh foreigners visited India in 2021, highest from US, followed by Bangladesh. Indigo recommences Hyderabad-Dhaka flights from December 8th. China eases COVID curbs on domestic group tourism trips. Kerala Tourism Department looks for tie-ups with Maha operators. Britain approves 3,000 work visas for young Indian professionals. Government issues draft notification to further streamline, strengthen tourist permit regime. FRI writes to SEBI to stop OYO from launching IPO after CCI penalty. For Indian aviation to feel comfortable, cost of energy, sustainable fuel should be factored. Hardeep Singh Puri. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.